Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss one of the object-oriented programming principle, that is encapsulation. What do you mean by encapsulation? We already discussed wrapping up of encapsulation is wrapping up of data in the methods that uses the data. Wrapping up of data and the methods that uses the data into a single unit. Actually here what is the single unit? Into a single unit, that is class. Into a single unit, that is the data and the methods that uses the data into a single unit is called encapsulation. The main purpose of encapsulation is, remember this is the main purpose, restricted access to the variables and the methods. Restricted access to the variables and methods present in the code. That means, so we have provided some authorization. We are providing authorization to some of the variables. That authorized variables cannot be used by unauthorized persons. How we are providing restriction on the variables? Generally, the access specifier private. If you are not mentioning anything before the variable, that is prefix of the variable, if you are not specifying anything, by default the variables or methods behaves as public. That means the public means throughout the program, anywhere can be used. The variables can be used anywhere in the program. If you are specifying double underscore, a variable is prefixed with, remember prefix, a variable is prefixed with a double underscore, that becomes a private variable. That private variable cannot be used outside the class. That means we are providing encapsulation. That means the private variable can be used only inside the methods that declare in the same class. Okay. For example, double underscore a. Here a is a private variable. This variable cannot be used outside the class. Cannot be used outside the class. Okay. Now consider an example. Consider a simple example how to achieve encapsulation. Okay. Class some text. Class some text. So declare a variable. For example, any variable, some age is equal to 20. I am defining a variable age with a value 20 and a method def of show of self. In the method just I am printing the value, print of self dot age. Okay, a simple program which contains one variable and one method. The variable age is equal to 20. In the show method I am printing, suppose first to print the normal message, first to print the normal message hello. Okay, show method. Now create an object for this test. T is equal to test of. T is equal to test of T dot show. Print T dot age. So what is the answer? Whenever we are calling T dot show, output is hello. Whenever we are printing T dot age, the age is 20. So no problem. Here there is no encapsulation. That is, we are accessing this one outside the class. Now how we are preventing this access? Make the variable as a private variable. Okay, this is a perfect, but this is not is an encapsulation. Encapsulation means preventing the access, that is a restricted access. For that purpose I am making the variable as a private variable. So preceded with double underscore. Whenever we are proceeding with double underscore, okay, so this show of print of hello, I am creating an object T is equal to test of T dot show. What is the answer for T dot show? The result is hello T dot age. Whenever we are calling this one, here age is a private variable, it is not allowed to access outside the class, because up to this only class, because this is some indentation, this only class. it is not possible to access outside the class. It displays an error. It displays an error. So we are providing restriction. Suppose if you want to access age, then what is the procedure? Okay, it is clear. We are providing encapsulation. Suppose if you want to access age, then in the function print self dot age. In the function show print self dot age. Whenever we are calling this show, what is the output? Hello 20. Hello is printed, and this is also called, this displays error. That means accessing of a private variable directly outside the class is not allowed. If you want to access, write this private variable in the method and call this method. Whenever we are calling this method, then it is possible to access. So this line displays an error, and for this one it prints hello and 20. Okay, now consider one more example. Suppose for clear idea, consider one more example by using constructors. Suppose class sample. I am defining a constructor in it of self, some name comma is, self dot name is equal to name, self dot age is equal to age. Self dot name is equal to name, self dot name age is equal to age. So next to define some display function, display of self print self dot name comma self dot age. Print self dot name comma self dot age. Next, what is our aim? Create an object. Suppose object s is equal to sample of. So I am using constructor. So in the object creation I am passing the values. Suppose the values are name is x. Suppose age is equal to 20. S dot display s dot name. Suppose in the print statement, I will write in the print statement print of s dot name, print of s dot age. Suppose we are writing the program like this. What happens? I am creating a class sample with a constructor with the two parameters name and age. I am assigning name and age a display function. In the display function it prints the two variables. I am creating an object s is equal to sample of with the two parameters. So whenever we are creating an object, automatically x is copied into name, age is copied into 20. So the name and age are assigned. Now s dot display, whenever we are calling this function, it goes to this function definition. It prints name and age. That is, what is the answer? Whenever we are calling this statement, the answer x20 is displayed on the screen. X20 is displayed on the screen. Suppose I want to check individually s dot name, so it prints x. Suppose x dot age, it prints 20. So the program is perfect. If you want to provide encapsulation, that means the restricted access. Suppose make one variable age as a private variable. That is, the variable is prefixed with double underscore. That is the private variable. Double underscore age is equal to age. Self dot name, self dot double underscore age. Now check what happens. So object creation is completed. Whenever we are calling s dot display, automatically x and 20 are printed, even though this is a private variable that is defined inside the method. S dot name x is printed, but this s dot double underscore age, but this one displays an error. Even if that is a method or a constructor, whatever it is. The previous example we are discussed with the method. If this we are using constructor. If it is a method or constructor, that private variable is not allowed to access outside the class. If you want to access the variable directly, it displays error. So one procedure is the variables is placed inside some other method, we are called that method. This is encapsulation. Thank you.